Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation stone of Mat Chakolgri Community Hall. PDF announces the name of Roswell Shadap as the party's candidate for Mauhati Assembly constituency in the 2023 Assembly election. Southwest Garo Hills ICDS of Social Welfare Department celebrates the fortnight Poshwan Pakwada, and incessant rain brings untold suffering to the people of Meghalaya. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today laid the foundation stone of Mat Chakolgri Community Hall. The hall will be constructed at a cost of 52 lakhs with 26 lakhs from CMSDF and 26 lakhs from MBMA. Hoping that this added facility will help the locality engage in activities for community development, said the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister also expressed satisfaction because he could distribute digital learning aid for the students of Tura under the Chief Minister's Digital Learning Aid for Students. The People's Democratic Front today announced the name of Roswell Shadap as the party's candidate who will contest from Mauhati Assembly constituency in the 2023 Assembly election. The announcement was made at the party's meeting in which the party's president Bante Dorlingdo and the other party functionaries were present.
Kakamban sakri pajba kamdai kakamban syulek kai kunjakai. Kadai kakam kabakentang kakam kabakya du tata. Na sakri ka konstituensi ka belong trik pun ka Mauhati. Kemudian lagi nong song snong kendai pun 100% nong kidai kinong rep. Ibuan kinong song snong kidai kibeduk kibasyubelas ni. Kamdai kibesuk. Kadai berjenjar du tata. Hari don kam yonomi kemarpat. Kuban don dekat berki 24/7 mot. Arsa penta. Nak bentar jengek je pajba.
Kajing kuat juga bernilai election arjara mulai. Kalong halo kasur yang dipaiba. Kiba punya senya midbalsi. Ni kreni otiai dan ya kreni jini jini paiba. Dan kreni jini syairo jini paiba. Arsa benta kapun juga menolak ban susar menolak. Presiden jini lama pun hari di bab kita kikam kibani tri bab kipaiba nong Shillong jini.
Achig Youth Welfare Organization Central Governing Body approved the new governing body of the organization on the 2nd of April 2022 at a program which was hosted by Bakmara Regional Branch at Bakmara, South Garo Hills District. Te Benito M. Sangma was elected as the president and Te Wal Jagring R. Sangma as the general secretary of the newly formed governing body. The Bakmara branch will work under the presidency of Benito M. Sangma. While addressing the newly elected leaders of Bakmara Regional Branch, the Vice President of AYWO, Mr. Chijang M. Sangma, said he believes the Bakmara AYWO will work for the better cause of Bakmara and South Garo Hills as a whole. The fortnight Poshan Pakwada celebration organized by ICDS of the Department of Social Welfare Southwest Garo Hills District with the rest of the country emphasized upon identification and celebration of healthy child and also integration of modern and traditional practices for healthy India within the thematic areas around Poshan Mitra. The incessant rain that lashed Meghalaya during 3 days has brought untold suffering to a large number of people in the state when the heavy rain created havoc in Maulat village under Maukanrao, East Khasi Hills district. 4 houses, 1 shop and 2 Dorbar halls were destroyed due to landslides. In Shillong, there was a minor landslide on the Laumali road and a portion of the debris fell into the Umkra river. The landslide was triggered by incessant rain last night. A massive landslide caused by incessant rain today morning also occurred on Shillong Pen Ursula Road in East Khasi Hills district and disrupted the traffic movement. The people of Kararshnong in Sora area of East Khasi Hills experienced an artificial flood caused by the bad road. Official sources said that 2 lives were lost in the state due to incessant rain during the last few days. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.